Hi, my name is Michael Ogechi Abbey, and I am the owner of Enterprise Express Tax Systems. I would like to wish all my current clients and future clients a very, very Merry Christmas. I'm going to do a quick summary of what's happened during the past year and what we're looking forward to. Everyone knows that it's been a tough year. With COVID, it threw a lot of things off. However, there have been some good things. One of those has been the government backed loan program that has been provided via the SBA, the Small Business Administration, and that is the called the EIDL, Economic Impact Development Loan. That program ends on December the 31st. Okay, so I'm encouraging everyone, especially small businesses, to go ahead and put in their applications if they haven't. Now, if you applied in the past and for whatever reason you were denied by the SBA, you can still reapply, request for a reconsideration from the SBA. And the way that you do that is you pen a letter to the SBA saying, for a particular reason, whatever reason it may have been that caused you not to be approved in the past, you are now applying for a reconsideration. The SBA will review it, and based on whatever criteria, if you meet the required criteria, they will reopen your case and ask you to provide the information that they requested before that you did not have. Remember, in the past, a lot of people did not get approved because they did not meet the credit criteria, which was a 580 score. In some cases, the SBA will make certain exemptions if you provide enough evidence or enough reason for them to think that you deserve that exemption. So, this is the way I look at it. There's no harm in trying. The SBA has given us that leeway up until December the 31st to go ahead and put in that reconsideration. The other thing that I also wanted to talk about with regards the SBA loans is that there is going to be a lot of money left over. The SBA has not been able to exhaust the funds, especially for the EIDL program. So there is a possibility that those funds may well be put back into the PPP program. I don't know this. I've heard some rumors that this might be the case, but that is a possibility. But please do not waste time in applying for the EIDL loan program if you think you qualify or if you need the funds. I've said this before. That program is probably the best government backed loan program out there. It has a 30-year term with 3% fees, paid over the life of the loan term, which is extremely generous. You're never going to get that from a bank or from any other lender. So now that it's still available, do take advantage of that. Lastly, so we're coming up with tax season. It's likely that the IRS will start processing somewhere around between February the 5th and February the 15th. That's the way it's looking. Remember, the past two tax seasons, because of all that's happened, the IRS has had to take additional time to get their systems ready for the filing season. And it's no different this time. In fact, our thinking is that they may even take longer. I wouldn't be surprised if the IRS started processing somewhere around February the 20th. Now, that gives you and I, okay, being a tax professional, more time to get our documents and all our information ready, especially considering what's happened this past year with a lot of COVID related financial things going on. Your stimulus is whatever stimulus that you receive, personal stimulus will not be taxed. Um, you also want to, if you did take a PPP loan, remember the PPP is separate from the EIDL. If you did take a PPP loan, you want to make sure that you have applied for forgiveness so that it does not turn into a permanent loan. Forgiveness is still going on, but you have to apply for it. If you don't apply for it, it's going to turn into a permanent loan, which you have to pay interest for and you have to pay off for. So do not forget to apply for forgiveness for the PPP. start to get your documents for the tax season together now. For most people, you should get your W 2 earning statements and your 1099 earning statements. If you're a self employed person, you should get those back by January the 31st. At least that's the requirement. The government requires that your employers send you those documents by January the 31st. So you definitely want to make sure that you have everything together. Talk to your tax preparer. Call us. I'm available if you have any questions. You can email me, Mike Abbey at moneytaxrefund.com, and I'll get back to you and give you my opinion. But certainly you want to start getting things ready. Make sure that you have a smooth tax season, tax preparation experience by providing as much information to your tax professional as possible. Okay, uh, let it be that you're providing more than your tax professional needs, and then your tax professional can say, hey, we don't need this or we don't need that. This is all we need. But do not under do not under provide. Let's put it that way. Do not under provide information to your tax professional, because then you could be in a situation where you're underreporting income or things like that, and that can be pretty bad, because what the IRS has started doing now is they've started penalizing both tax professionals and individuals and companies, of course, for not providing enough information. Okay, so that's about it. I'm wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas, and I wish everyone the best. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and again, we're always here. Shoot us an email or a text message if you have any questions. Merry Christmas. Bye.